Hi, and welcome to the Ecom channel, the YouTube channel that gives you all the tips and tricks you need to create a successful e-commerce store. In this video, we are going to show you how you list your business on Google. But before we start, I highly recommend that you keep yourself up to date with the latest news, tricks and trends by subscribing to our channel. And we start by locating and opening Google My Business. We will leave a link for Google My Business in the info section below. The link will lead you directly to this window. Here we start building our business profile, and we start by adding the business name. This is Happy-Sewing, and we sell sewing supplies. So this is a sewing store or a sewing shop. Let's see there, and we click next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or an office? We don't have a store or an office, so we click no here, but if you do, you should click yes. And next. Where do you serve your customers? If you have a pop-up store or you travel to visit your customers, you can write an area here like Manhattan or New York. We don't, so we click next. We are based in Washington, United States, so we add that as well and click next again. We skip adding a phone number for now, but we will add a website. Our website is happy-sewing.com, and when that is done, we click next. Get updates about your business. Of course, we want to get updates about our business. It's a great idea to keep track on how we are performing, so we click yes and next. We also have to verify our address, so we need to fill out an address here, even though we haven't set the location yet. It's very simple. We fill out the address and we write a contact name here. They will actually send us a postcard with a code that we just write in Google Business to verify our address. When we have done that, our business will appear on Google. I just write James Gordon, and we click next. And the postcard is on its way, so we click next again. Now we have to add business hour. This is a website, so we are open every single day. I do think I need to add the opening hours. Yes, just select 24 hours here and next. Here we can allow our customers to contact us on Google. Of course we want that, so we click accept messaging and next. And here we write a few words about our business. Happy Sewing is a sewing store and it sells sewing patterns, so we will write something about that. You can always go back and change any of this if you want. So we write something very fast for now, just to get the process going. Here we can add photos. We don't have any photos now, so we have to skip this. And we don't want to advertise anything at this moment, so we skip this for now. So the setup is now complete. Now we just have to wait on the confirmation code. Then we will be up and running on Google. And that's it. That is how you list your business on Google. I hope you liked this video. Please show it by giving it a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.